recommend in all moral teaching what I call the grace burger outline. And what's a grace burger? Okay. So your top bun in your grace burger is grace. You talk about grace. You talk about the necessity of grace. You talk about how they can receive grace through the grace of the Holy Spirit. Okay. Then you have your all beef patty in the middle. That's your moral exhortation. That has to be given, but in the context of the primacy of grace. And then you have your bottom bun. When you get done with your moral exhortation, you remind them, don't go out of here trying to do this yourself. You'll fall flat on your face. And that's the grace burger. Top bun, grace, middle, beef patty, your moral exhortation, and the follow-up.